We'll guide you through how to make a cell read only in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to protect important data in Microsoft Excel from accidental changes. Making a cell read only is useful when sharing files with others, especially for reports, financial data, or templates. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop and wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Once the application is ready, open the workbook where you want to make a cell read only. Make sure the correct worksheet is active so you are working in the right place. Identify the specific cell or range of cells that you want to protect from being edited. Before applying protection, remember that all cells in Excel are actually locked by default. However, this lock setting will only work after you activate sheet protection. To set this up properly, press Ctrl A on your keyboard to select all cells in the worksheet. Right-click anywhere in the worksheet and choose Format Cells from the menu. In the Format Cells window, go to the Protection tab. Uncheck the Locked option, then click OK. This step unlocks all cells temporarily, so you can choose which ones to protect. Next, select the specific cell or range that you want to make read only. Right-click the selected cell and choose Format Cells again. Open the Protection tab once more. This time, check the Locked option, then click OK. Now the selected cell is marked as locked, but it still needs sheet protection to activate. Move to the top ribbon menu and click the Review tab. In the Review section, select Protect Sheet. A dialog box will appear. Enter a password if you want to secure the sheet with extra protection. After typing the password, click OK. You will then be asked to re-enter the password in the confirmation box. Type the same password again and click OK to activate sheet protection. Now test the result by trying to edit the locked cell. You should see that it cannot be modified. Then test other cells that were not locked to ensure they remain editable. Finally, save your Excel file after completing the setup to make sure all changes are properly stored.